What's up, guys? Today I'm going to show you how I made my custom dirt bike number plate headlight. I went on Steady Garage and I bought the Squadron Sport. This thing's bright as hell. If you have the 2022 or the 2023, you need to buy the special harness for this headlight off Steady Garage. I also went on Amazon and purchased a CRF dirt bike number plate. We're going to start by taping off the number plate and tracing the headlight onto it. Then I use a Dremel to cut out the shape. You might have to keep cutting and shaving it down until it fits just right. Not too loose, but snug. So I stopped it at this ledge piece. It sits in there nice and flush. Once you remove the tape, you want to hot glue the back to make sure it's secured. I also bought the shroud hood for the Squadron light. Since I already hot glued the light in, I decided to use painter's tape on the back of the shroud to map out where the holes I need to drill through the plate are. I also cut out the middle, that way it can go around the light. Once you got the holes mapped out, you just drill them out and you screw in the screws from the back. Looks pretty good, guys. Everything came out nice. Got that extra harness so that everything's gonna be plug and play. The white ones for the on and off switch, or the brights and lows. I'll take a final video once I figure out how I'm gonna mount this. Super stoked on how this came out. Just zip tied off, drilled some holes, drilled a hole through this guy. Looking mean. Bright as fuck. So we got the high beams, low beams, high beams. It's crazy how that one little light is so bright. I had it bend and kind of form so that it would hide all the wires and stuff on the side. Looks pretty fucking sick. It's like gladiator style. Alright, so I got the new air intake in and the ECU